Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install multimedia codecs on OpenSUSE Leap. So the problem occurs, you go to something like YouTube and you try and play back a video and you get something along the lines of this. Or you open up the Pro Media Player and you try and open up a video. You get this additional software is required. So I'm not going to install that there. What we're going to do is we are going to open up a terminal. I'm going to refresh the zip of repositories. We're going to update the system. And then what we're going to do is install something called OPI. Press yes. We're going to clear the screen and we're going to type OPI codec. Do you want to install codecs from the Pacman repository? Yes, we do. And then you can choose where you're going to add the repo from. Now you've got 3 in Germany, 1 in Czech Republic and 1 in China. I'm going to go for the top one from Germany. Yes to the public key. And then we're just going to press return on there. And we're going to accept default options from now onwards. You can see all these GStreamer plugins that are going to be installed. They're the key ones. And then return again. And then we're going to press yes that. Yes again. And that's it. Now it says completed with error. I'm not sure why there's an error, but we'll see if it works. So we'll start off with Firefox. Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Windows operating system and all of your important. So you can see that's now working. And if we go to Parole, welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install multimedia. You can see that's working. Although we do have a back-end error when we close the video. But that is how you install the multimedia codecs using OpenSUSE Leap. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.